electrode array. Select Maintenance on the main menu. 4 control buttons are located at the bottom of this window. Go Home button. The Go Home button positions the electrode array in the home position. Calibrate takes a few moments to calibrate the sensor head using the internal reference resistor. Nothing involving the motor movement happens. The icons show the animation until the process is completed. Set Read Time lets you adjust the time that the electrode array will enter a station to chloridize or stabilize. Back returns you to the previous window. To chloridize, press the plus or minus buttons to set the timer to the desired time in minutes in the chloridized frame. Select the radio button for the rinse station containing the chloridizing solution. Fill the appropriate rinse station with a bleach solution. Press the Start Timer button. The time interval displays on the counter in the center of the window. The title changes to Chloriding Time Remaining. The electrode array moves to the selected rinse station and the counters start counting down to 0. When the count reaches 0, the electrode array retracts. At any point, you may stop the counter by pressing the Stop Timer button. This resets the counter to 0 and retracts the electrode array.